What if I told you that just $75, the cost of a dinner out, a few trips to the coffee shop, or maybe a new video game, could be the seed that grows into life-changing wealth? Sounds crazy, right? We're conditioned to think that investing is a rich person's game, that you need thousands, tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of dollars to even think about getting started. But the truth is, the biggest misconception in finance is that you need a lot of money to make a lot of money. Today we're going to break down that barrier and show you how just $75 spread across 3 powerful stocks could be the first step towards financial freedom. Let's be real. How many times have you scrolled through Instagram, seeing those Lambos and private jets, and thought, investing is for those people, not me? It's easy to feel like the world of investing is a distant, unattainable dream, reserved only for the ultra-wealthy and the financial elite. The constant barrage of images showcasing opulent lifestyles can make anyone feel like they're on the outside looking in. You see the headlines about Bitcoin millionaires and tech moguls cashing in on IPOs, and it feels like a different world. These stories are splashed across every media outlet, making it seem like the only way to succeed is to strike it rich overnight or have insider connections. It's no wonder so many people feel discouraged from even trying to invest. And that's exactly what the financial industry wants you to think. They thrive on this perception because it keeps the average person out of the game, maintaining the status quo. The more exclusive and complicated they make it seem, the more they can charge for their services and advice. They want you to believe that investing is this exclusive club reserved for the wealthy and the well-connected. It's a narrative that's been perpetuated for decades, creating a barrier that feels insurmountable for the everyday person. But this couldn't be further from the truth. They want you to think you need a financial advisor in a fancy suit charging exorbitant fees to even dip your toes into the market. The reality is, with the advent of technology and the rise of online trading platforms, anyone can start investing with minimal fees and no need for a high-priced advisor. But here's the truth. The stock market doesn't care if you're starting with $75 or $75,000. It's a level playing field where the only thing that matters is your strategy and your commitment. The barriers to entry have never been lower, and the opportunities have never been greater. It rewards smart, strategic investments regardless of the amount. Whether you're investing a small sum or a large fortune, the principles remain the same. It's all about making informed decisions, staying patient, and letting your investments grow over time. The beauty of compounding, the principle of earning interest on your interest, is that it doesn't discriminate. This powerful concept works the same for everyone, and it's one of the most effective ways to build wealth over time. The earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of this exponential growth. Time is the magic ingredient, and the earlier you start, even with small amounts, the more you benefit from this exponential growth. It's like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the sooner it will grow and bear fruit. Every dollar you invest today has the potential to grow significantly over the years. Think of it like this. If you invest just $75 a month starting at age 25 with an average annual return of 8%, you'd have over $1 million by the time you retire. This isn't some pie-in-the-sky dream. It's a realistic scenario based on historical market performance. $1 million from just $75 a month. It's a testament to the power of consistency and the magic of compounding. Small, regular investments can lead to substantial wealth over time, and that's just an average return. The stock market has its ups and downs, but over the long term, it has consistently provided solid returns for those who stay the course. The key is to remain patient and not get swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Imagine the possibilities if you find those hidden gems, those companies poised for explosive growth that can deliver returns far exceeding the market average. These opportunities are out there, and with a bit of research and due diligence, you can uncover them. That's what we're going to explore today. We'll dive into the strategies, the tools, and the mindset needed to succeed in the world of investing. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your approach, this journey will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to take control of your financial future. Now let's get down to the exciting part. The 3 stocks that could turn your $75 into a life-changing investment. Imagine the thrill of watching your modest investment grow exponentially. transforming your financial future in ways you never thought possible. These aren't just any stocks, they are carefully selected opportunities that have the potential to redefine your financial landscape. Remember, this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about understanding the market, recognizing potential, and making informed decisions. The journey to financial success is often a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are key. This is about making smart, strategic decisions that set you up for long-term financial success. It's about building a solid foundation that can withstand market fluctuations and economic uncertainties. With the right approach, you can create a portfolio that not only grows but thrives over time. Our first company is one you might not expect, a company that's been quietly dominating its industry and is now on the verge of a global takeover. This company has been flying under the radar, steadily building its empire while others chase the latest trends. It's called Company One Name, and they're in the business of Company One industry. This industry might not have the flash and glamour of tech startups or the allure of biotech firms, but it has something even more valuable: stability and consistent growth. Now you might be thinking, Company One industry? That sounds boring. But here's the thing, boring can be beautiful when it comes to investments. Boring means reliable, and reliable means profitable. But trust me, boring can be very, very profitable. In fact, some of the most successful investors in history have made their fortunes by betting on so-called boring industries. It's all about seeing the potential where others see monotony. Company One Name has consistently outperformed market expectations, with a track record of delivering double-digit revenue growth year after year. Their financials are rock solid, and their growth trajectory shows no signs of slowing down. They've got a rock-solid business model, a loyal customer base, and a management team that's laser-focused on innovation and expansion. Their strategic vision and execution have positioned them as a leader in their field, and they continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Next up, we're diving into the world of Company Two industry with Company Two Name. This company is not just participating in a trend, they are leading it. They are at the cutting edge of an industry that's poised for explosive growth. This company is riding the wave of a massive trend that's transforming the way we Company Two value proposition. They are not just adapting to change, they are driving it, setting new standards and redefining the industry landscape. Company Two Name is at the forefront of this revolution, with a suite of cutting-edge products and services that are disrupting the traditional players. Their innovations are not just incremental improvements, they are game changers that have the potential to reshape the market. They're attracting top talent, securing strategic partnerships, and expanding their global footprint at an astonishing rate. Their ability to attract the best and brightest minds in the industry speaks volumes about their potential and the exciting future that lies ahead. And finally, we have Company Three Name, a company that's tackling one of the biggest challenges facing humanity, Company Three Mission. This is not just an investment, it's a chance to be part of something truly transformative. Now, this is a long-term play, but the potential here is enormous. The impact of their work could be felt for generations, and the financial rewards could be just as significant. Company Three Name is developing groundbreaking technology that could revolutionize the way we, Company Three value proposition. Their innovations are not just theoretical, they are practical solutions to real-world problems. They've got a team of brilliant scientists and engineers, they're attracting significant investment from major players, and they're on the cusp of major breakthroughs that could catapult them to the forefront of their industry. The future looks incredibly bright for Company Three Name, and being part of their journey could be one of the most rewarding decisions you ever make. Chapter 3. Now I want to share a moment that really solidified my belief in Company Two Name. It was one of those rare instances where everything just clicked, and I could see the future unfolding right before my eyes. I was at a conference surrounded by industry experts, and the buzz around this company was palpable. The energy in the room was electric, and you could feel the anticipation building up. Everyone was talking about their latest product launch, a revolutionary new device that promised to Company Two product benefit. The excitement was contagious, and it was clear that this product was going to change the game. I remember thinking, this is it. This is the game changer. And I wasn't wrong. The more I learned about the product, the more convinced I became that this was a pivotal moment for the company. That product launch sent shockwaves through the industry. It was the talk of the town, and everyone wanted to get their hands on it. The impact was immediate and far-reaching. Company 2Name's stocks soared, and they haven't looked back since. Investors were thrilled, and the company's market value skyrocketed. It was a clear indication that they were on the right path. They've continued to innovate, they've expanded into new markets, and they've cemented their position as a leader in their space. Their commitment to pushing boundaries and exploring new frontiers has been unwavering. That moment at the conference, that feeling of being on the cusp of something huge, that's what I look for in every investment. It's about recognizing potential and seizing the opportunity when it presents itself. It's not just about numbers on a spreadsheet. It's about understanding the story behind the company, the problem they're solving, and the potential to make a real impact. It's about seeing the bigger picture and believing in the vision. So there you have it, 3 incredible companies, each with the potential to turn a small investment into significant wealth. Remember, investing isn't about timing the market perfectly or chasing the latest hot stock tip. It's about finding companies you believe in, companies that are solving real problems and creating a better future. Do your own research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But most importantly, don't let the myth of needing a lot of money hold you back from building a brighter financial future. What are your thoughts on these 3 stocks? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more investment tips and stock analyses. Let's build wealth together.